na mga kapatid yung boy.
Papakilala ko sa inyo ang pinakamabait kong boyfriend.
Papakilala ko sa inyo ang napakagandang boyfriend.
Yes, we love to chill, we love to explore, we love to eat and be picky together. We like to enjoy our time together, whatever we do and wherever we go. Hello mga kapatid!
Hello mga kapatid.
Ang kamot na ng ulo. Ito na naman kami. So after a long time, nakapag-vlog na ulit kami. Kasi si Kuya is back to work. So,
Yes sir.
so ito ngayon kami. Pupunta kami sa destination namin ngayon. Iba na naman ang pupuntahan natin. Kasi finally, after a week, it is sunny again here in Vancouver. So let's go and tingnan natin left. Tingnan natin ngayon itong Golden Ears Provincial Park kasi a lot of people are saying that it's good to go, are suggesting us to go. So they all send us a message saying, "Oh guys, you need to check this out," and blah blah blah. So today we're gonna go and check this out. Check this place out. So I haven't been there.
Me too.
Also Kuya Nath, hindi pa siya nakakarating doon. So we are on our way now. So let's go. So guys, we got Wendy's today. So hindi na muna McDo kasi we need a break from McDonald's, right?
I know, right?
So kasi alas 12 na, hindi pa kami nakain. Kakain muna kami on the way para pag-hike natin, tad-tad na yung pagkain natin. And more energy to go. Let's eat! So ito, naghihintay kami.
Ay, may kita nyo, pakita mo yung river na.
Ang daming tao. Ito, nandito yung river dito sa side na to. Hindi na nakikita kasi natatabunan na ng mga trees. So, there you go, guys.
Oh shit, ang ganda.
Wow! Guys, it's crazy out here. No parking. It's like really tight for all the cars. It's crazy! Look at the parking. There is so much park.
There is so much
there's
Wow, there's so much park. Sa inyo mga kapatid, nandito na kami, nakahanap kami ng parking. Ayun yung kotse namin. Ayun,
outside.
Ayun o, kita nyo yan. Eh, wala tayong magagawa eh, walang maparkingan eh. Ang tingin mo dyan, pogi ba ako? tingin na tingin sila sa akin eh, pogi naman talaga ako eh. Si ate oh. Ano masasabi mo?
Wala. Ready to walk? Hindi ka naman nagpalit ng sapatos mo.
Oo nga no, hindi pala ako napagsapatos.
Gusto mo ba palit?
Sige, palit mo na ako. Papalit mo na ako mga kapatid ha. Kasi nakalimutan ako magpalit. Kasi ayoko madudungisan.
Madungis na nga eh.
Kasi maputik dito eh no.
So yan, nagpapalit na si Kuya. He's changing his.
He's changing his?
His.
Nakita niyo si ate, galit ng sa akin. Pag nagbablog kasi ako, lagi nagagaya sa akin siya. Ayun. What's up, ate?
Hi.
Nandito na kami. Pero malapit na. Halfway pa lang. Yan, so mga kapatid, napakaganda naman dito sa ano talaga. Makikita nyo, oh. Wow! Ang lupit! Meron dito bear.
Oh wow. So ang ganda talaga dito guys sa Golden Ears Provincial Park.
First time namin dito sa Golden Ears, makikita nyo naman, napakaganda talaga. Oh. Ano na, balita, nandito pa rin kami.
So guys,
Wala
we've
pa
been
ata.
walking for 2 kilometers. My iWatch
2 kilometers na,
2
wow!
kilometers and
Iba talaga
86
pagka may iWatch na si ate, no? Natatrack niya yung mga ano, lakad. No, kung ilang kilometers na nalalakad niya. Whew! Akin, meron din ako eh. Akin naman, mga 3 kilometer na. Nalakad ko.
Wow. So
Ayun.
guys, follow nyo yung aming bagong Instagram page. ItsJeNath Photography.
Ayun.
Nandun lahat ng mga pictures namin.
Oo.
Hindi namin dalawa, yung mga pictures.
Siya yung ano, siya yung nagpicture kasi magaling siya magpicture eh. Ako hindi ako marunong magpicture eh. So ayun. This place is really nice. I love it. Very nice.
Hindi namin bigyan ng English ako.
Siyempre, Englishero tayo. Nasa Canada tayo. Dapat mag-English, di ba mga kapatid? Uy, naririnig ko na mga kapatid yung falls. Malapit na tayo.
Yeah, I can hear it too.
Oh, ito na. Ay, ito lang pala, mahal ko.
Oh, ito lang pala. Ito lang pala.
Ah, hindi. Meron pa dun sa taas.
Yeah.
Ngayon, pero, ngayon papakita namin sa inyo yung view. Guys, ayun nga pala yung view. Ito na. Hindi pa tapos yan. Ano pa lang yan? 99%. Malapit na tayo ngayon sa ano. Ano masasabi mo ate? Pagod na ba?
Kaya pa, kaya pa.
Kaya pa ba?
Yeah.
Ayun. Ito, malapit na tayo. What's up mga kapatid? So ayun, pabalik na kami ni ate. Ate.
What?
What? Wow. What? English yan pala nga to. Pabalik na kami. Tapos ng adventure namin. Yan si ate, oo. Oo, yung ina si ate. Ganito kahirap para lang makakita kayo ng falls. Ganito pagdadaanan yung Canada, pero worth it naman. Napaalupit, napakaganda ng falls.
We've been walking.
Anong falls to? Anong falls to? Anong tawag mo sa falls na yan?
Golden Ears.
Golden Ears Falls.
And this
Napakagaling.
trail is called... Hindi ko na
What is it called?
Falls Trail.
Lower Falls.
Lower. Yeah.
Lower Falls. Yeah.
Po kami nagpark sa labas.
Doon pa kami sa dulo. Doon pa kami.
Hello mga kapatid!
Sup mga kapatid?
So, we're back in the car after I'll show you. After a 2 hours, well, it's upside down, but it's 2 hours and a half hiking, and we walked for 8.28 kilometers, so it was a really good walk. So actually, we had to park, like we showed you earlier, outside the parking lot because there were so much cars inside that we couldn't find any parking. So from our parking lot to go to the falls, it took us around 1 hour and a half, just because we were stopping and taking pictures, taking videos. So if you just go there without stopping, without taking pictures, you can go there by 1 hour of hiking. So, and then 1 hour hiking to go back. But I think how long did we walk? Like maybe 45 minutes or 40?
30 minutes.
Yeah, maybe around 30 to 45 minutes to come back. I don't know why, but every time you go back, it's always the fastest way. But when you're trying to reach your destination, it takes like a long time. But then when you go back, it takes like a second. You guys are around Vancouver, like I always say, just check this place out, Golden Ears Provincial Park.
Yes.
But if you want to go actually to the trail that will bring you to the fall, just Google Lower Falls Trail, Golden Ears Park. Yeah, the trail is easy, not that, maybe moderate. It's not that easy, not
It's
that
like
hard.
flat.
Like
Flat.
moderate siya, yeah.
Hindi siya kagaya ng hiking na talagang all the way up. You're going up.
Yeah, this one it was more up and down, but it was parang straight siya.
More on straight.
Yeah, but if you want to go to the peak of the falls, of course you have to hike a little bit more higher. Hike higher. So yes guys, so we hope you enjoyed our video. Another video of exploration with us. If you guys haven't subscribed yet to our channel, make sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, leave it a thumbs down. And don't forget to turn on the tililing bell button so you're always updated to our new videos. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Oh, bago nga pala makalimutan, like I said earlier, don't forget to follow us on Instagram to our new page. Page. It is ItsJeNath Photography, para masuportahan nyo rin kami sa mga picture namin, just pictorial, because I'm trying to develop more skills about my photography and to improve. Okay, so yeah.
Bye.